What's going on, guys? Your boy Crypto coming back with another update on Bitcoin. We talking about the Bitcoin ETFs. They saying it's gonna see a massive 213 million inflows in a single day. And this article came out today. So according to the social value, Bitcoin spot ETFs recorded a total net inflow of 213 million yesterday, making the third consecutive day of net inflows. In contrast, the grayscale Bitcoin experienced a significant net outflow of 79 million in a single day, contributing to grayscale's historical net outflow, which now stands at 15 billion. That's crazy. So the Bitcoin ETFs are going crazy right now. So if y'all ain't checked it out, y'all gotta look at them grayscale ETFs that Bitcoin got now. So as you can see, the BlackRock ETFs on the ride. BlackRock updated is Bitcoin ETFs prospectus on April 5th, added major Wall Street firms like ABN, AMRO Clearing, Citadel Securities, Citigroup. Big companies like that, Goldman Sachs. These firms join others like JP Morgan Securities, James Street Capital. A bunch of big institutional buyers. They end up spending that money. That's all that is. They in there spending that money. Recently, crypto analyst Willie Woo has suggested that BlackRock's 9.5 trillion in assets under management could potentially shift toward digital assets. That's crazy. Notably, Bitcoin as a younger generation exhibit increasing confidence in cryptocurrency. So they really trying to target the younger generation. So they really want they want to get some of the young people money because they know we're going to buy that Bitcoin. We're going to buy the ETL. They already know we're going to spend on it. And do your research on it before you get in. Look it up. They got articles everywhere. So, take a look at it. Right now, BTC sitting at about 68,000. And it's it's looking better than it was before. As you can see right here, it's continuously rising. So it's going up, come down a little bit, go back up. I guess it's trying to retest this 73. Every time it retests that 73, it comes back down. That could be a bad sign, as far as it goes. But who knows? Maybe it'll hit. Maybe it'll try to test that 73 again and it'll go through. But if it don't go through, then you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna come right back up in here somewhere. I wouldn't say way down there, but it's gonna come back up into maybe this 64,000 range right up in here, and then it's gonna try to retest it again. But like I said, the halving is 2 weeks away, so you know how that goes. Let's see what they got over here. The weekend has started with a market bounce back, according to CoinMarketCap. The rate of Bitcoin has risen 1.45% over the last 24 hours. Despite today's rise, the price of BTC is looking bearish, is what they say, on the hourly chart, as it is on the way to a local support of 67,000. If buyers fail to seize the initiative, traders may expect a test of 67,000 tomorrow. So like I said, it's probably going to try to test that 70,000, 73,000 range again. But if it don't go through it, you know what's going to happen. On a daily time frame, the situation has almost not changed since yesterday from a technical point of view. This statement is also confirmed by its falling value. But as you can see, the value wasn't as strong as before. But hey, it's down to 12,000 right now. It should have been like roughly 40,000, 50,000 somewhere in there. So, hey, let's see what happens. As you can see, though, you had a lot of buying pressure coming in up in here. So right there, it dipped. Then right here, it really, it came out swinging. But as you can see, instead of just climbing, the chart looks pretty good to me. But I really missed out getting in right there. That's great. That's crazy. We ain't even gonna talk about that. Yeah, that's crazy. But so if you just look at it right here, it say Bitcoin dips, but don't panic. ETF sees 3 days of bullish inflows. What does that mean? That mean it could be bullish. See, they just saying that. Another article was saying, hey, it look like it's bearish. But at the end of the day, the ETL's gonna change the game. The inflows of them ETL's gonna change the game, because they already know the younger generation gonna buy them. If you can't get the 50,000 per Bitcoin, you get the ETF. I think right now it's going for like maybe $40, $50. So you can take a look at it. Bitcoin ETFs inflow signal long-term investor appetite. So, as you said, the ETFs are long-term anyway, but a recent dip in the ETF activities sparked fears that initial excitement might be short-lived. However, those fears have been quelled by resurging in the inflows. So right here they're talking about BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF leads the pack. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has emerged as a frontrunner in the crypto ETF space. Their iShares Bitcoin trust recorded the highest net inflows in a single day, exceeding 144 million. So, it's going crazy for Bitcoin. But honest, Bitcoin really opened the door for Ethereum next. Ethereum gonna be next. I wouldn't be shocked if Ethereum had the ETF next. I wouldn't even be shocked because anytime Bitcoin, they start with Bitcoin, they gonna adopt it over here, they gonna adopt it over there. Then it's gonna be the same thing. It's just really opening up the door. It's really just opening up the door for all the other cryptos as well. I wouldn't even be surprised if Dogecoin got one. She got one, but you never know. Like I say, all the stuff that the whales are buying, they buying a lot of Bitcoin, they buying a lot of ETH. They transferring it out in the wallet, so you never even know you don't know what's going on. So 9 times out of 10, people ain't just accumulating all that money and ain't doing nothing with it. They taking it and getting ready for adoption. So when you see whales coming in, buying a lot, and taking it and putting it in the wallet, they probably gearing up to do something. I wouldn't even spend billions of dollars and just be taking them, just trying to do this. It only makes sense that, they taking that money and they gearing up for major adoption for crypto. They got big plans for Bitcoin, really crypto as a whole. But like I say, Bitcoin is number one, so anything Bitcoin do, the rest really gonna follow. But yeah. So let's see what else they got going on around here. They say Bitcoin as digital gold could enable continued demand as ETF mitigates volatility. So yeah, they just basically telling you, look at here, look at this chart right here, that look good. So you can see that up, down. But the thing is, what we're really looking for right now, will it run? Will it run this month? Will investors see a return this month? The way that it's going, it's already done touched 73,000. So, I think it'll hit that it'll go through that 73,000, just that's how I feel. But at the same time, the altcoins are really where the money at, you know what I mean? So you get in them altcoins, you kind of get going. But hey, spread your money out, diversified. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I do. It's just a quick update on Bitcoin. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out of here just like yesterday.